happy bees, it's Amanda, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow corn cake. You're going to start out by printing a picture of a rainbow corn from Google, and you'll need to print it around the same size as your cake. We're going to trim around the outside of the image. We're also going to cut the eyes and the heart out as well. That sounds so savage. So you're going to bake a dome cake. This cake is around 6 inches and I'm just trimming off a little part at the top to make it not so rounded. I'm going to use Cake Duchess covering paste to cover the cake. This was sent to me by Eddie and it is amazing for covering cakes. Once you have your cake covered, you're going to place that image on top of your cake and you're going to use it as a guide as to where you're going to place the eyes. I'm using a large ball tool here to create eye sockets. So we're going to create the eyes and the horn now, and I'll put links in the description below for everything that you see in this video that you'll need to create this at home. I've coloured some of the paste in pink food colouring, and you're going to roll it into teardrop shape. And then you're going to use a knife to create some indentations. Go in with some edible pink luster dust and leave that to the side to dry. So to create the eyes, we're going to colour some of the paste blue. You're going to roll it out into kind of a circle shape, but don't flatten it completely. And use a circle cutter that's the same size as your eye sockets. Now to create the glittery eye effect, we're going to pop some edible glitter onto a clean page. You're going to dampen the surface of your eye, and then you're going to dip it into the glitter. Then you can insert the eyes into your eye sockets. Now you're going to use a small piece of black fondant to create a nose, and you're just going to use your knife to get the correct shape. A small snake piece of fondant to create a little smile for a rainbow corn. And you're going to use a clean pair of scissors to create a furry effect here. So a smaller circle cutter this time to create pupils. Now all the rainbow corns have a glittery heart on their tummy, so you're going to use that heart as a template. We're going to use the same method to create the glitter on the heart. This glitter is non-toxic, it's not completely edible, so just be careful if you're serving this cake. Perhaps maybe take the glittery parts off the top of the cake before you serve it to eat. I'm going to create a pink trim for around the outside of her heart. And you can give it more of the cute factor by adding some catch lights, which, let's face it, these need all the help they can get. My daughter loves rainbow corns, I'm not so keen. So you're going to create some legs for your rainbow corn by rolling out a large sausage of blue paste now. And you're going to roll that into a teardrop shape. Flatten the bottom part of it onto your surface and then trim it at the top. Just make sure it goes in at the top and out at the bottom. And I do insert cocktail sticks into these later on. So again, you need to be careful when you're eating these that there are cocktail sticks inside for support. This rainbow corn is a bunny, so it's got big ears. You're going to roll out some of that paste into a large teardrop shape and just make sure it goes out at one side more than the other. You're going to gently fold over the more narrow side and then place those on top of your cake. Roll out some strands in several different colours for the hair. And then you're going to stick sections of these strands together. Now I made up about 5 or 6 of these sections and left them to dry for an hour or so before I stuck them on, and that way they're going to stay nice and spiky. Click on that video on your screen now if you want to see more toys that I've turned into cake. I also make a live video every Monday night, so make sure you're subscribed and you have that notification bell on so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching.